Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a plan with me style video. I've never done anything like this before, but I'm really excited to try something new. I love recording my goals in the monthly section of my digital planner so I can see them every day. When planning for January, I refer to my motivational and yearly plans. For example, one of my goals is to spend more quality time with family. I've also decided to work out daily and stick to healthy eating, as I've recently started focusing more on my health. In my monthly planner, I always highlight one main task for each day to steadily work toward my bigger goals. This helps me stay focused and avoid distractions from what really matters. For more detailed goal planning, I use the day section of my planner. For example, on Sundays, I plan a healthy meal menu for the family for the entire week. To simplify the process, I use the lasso tool. It's super convenient for copying tasks and pasting them into the days where they're needed. I organize my gym sessions the same way. I write the task once and then copy it into other days using the lasso tool. This helps streamline my schedule and saves time by avoiding repetitive task entries. To organize my goals and tasks, I often use stickers. They help visually highlight important points and add structure to my planner pages. For example, for the goal of a weekly family walk, I pick a sticker featuring nature to emphasize the connection to outdoor relaxation. Brightly colored stickers make it easy to spot deadlines, such as project completion dates or meeting preparations. For motivation, I add inspiring stickers with quotes or illustrations. This approach makes planning not only productive, but also an enjoyable process. That's it. Quick and easy, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find the link to the Digital Planner app in the video description, along with a link to my video, Setting Up My Digital Planner for 2025. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.